How to fix UAE Pass face recognition not working. So if you want to fix UAE Pass face recognition not working, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your UAE Pass application. So first thing you're going to do is log into your account and then get to the Face ID section. There might be a few reasons why it's not working. First thing you have to make sure of is that your front camera is clean. You can take a clean cloth and wipe it down. Once you have cleaned your front camera, make sure that you are inside a well-lit room or even outside where there is enough light for your face to be seen clearly. The other thing you have to make sure of is you need to hold your camera at eye level so that it recognizes your face. But if after doing all of that, you are still facing the issue, then there might be a problem with the app itself. What you need to do is just simply go back and then open up your settings. From the settings, you need to go with search or just scroll down a bit, go with apps and then go with manage apps. From manage apps, you need to go with search and search for UAE. After searching, wait for a few seconds and then you will have the application right here. Once you find the application, you need to go with clear data, which will be on the bottom, and clear all of the cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. You can go and select the app permissions as well and then go and allow the permissions like camera, microphone, or phone. Make sure to turn it on, and after doing all of that, you'll be good to go. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.